Welcome to the Clever Kid channel. Today, together with my little assistant, we will play with slime and try to find out what treasure is hiding. First, we need to open all the containers and pour all the slime on the table. So far, we got green and silver. Next one is purple. Wow! Look how stretchy it is. It's beautiful purple color. Next one is my favorite color, pink. Wow, that's amazing. Last one more green. Okay, all done. Let's start. Hi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
5. This is silver color.
What is inside?
Silver.
Can you show us? Wow! Yeah, this is
I can
so
find the
hard.
water.
Wow! Jump, 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 jump!
Oh, look. The next one is a green one. Let's go to the green one. Which one should we choose first? Let's put it this one. I think this one here.
Okay.
So this is a green one. They are both green. So I'm going to open it. Oh no! It's another slippery slime.
What is that?
Rocket! Some little slime is stuck in it.
Hi, Rocky!
Hi. I love stuff in here.
Hello! My name is Zuma.
And my name is Rocky. Please save it to see same series.
Ooh, hi.
Would you like to throw balls at us?
Maybe it's time.
To get the second one. Yeah. Let's open the second one. I'll go back to my place. I need to. I failed. I failed again. I'm gonna do it like that. Hi.
My name is Zoma and this is Rocky. What is your name? Rubble. Wow, so nice name.
I'm actually cleaning, but let's go into the pink. Or
maybe purple.
yeah, but let's see. Those are the boy colors and those are the girl colors. So let's see. What about we have pink?
Okay.
Red.
Okay.
Let's open it up and see. Oh, I was right. It was Marshall.
Hi, Marshall.
I I'm stuck in this big slime.
Ooh!
I got loads of still stuck in it. But which I got spray some water for the last one. I was almost there. I think that's not a good idea. Or I'll make Fox does not like water, so it's time to open it.
Oh, last one.
Yes, last one. I hope my friends too. Yay!
Who's that? Who's that?
Chase.
Oh, hi, Chase.
But I don't want to mix them up. Ah, there's something more.
So this is,
Siva
and this is.
Chase. I'm Marshall. I'm Robert, and I'm Rocky. Just to relax.
Oh, so sweet, Rocky. Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 dogs with amazing names.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.